Welcome! If you've been using Telegram Web on your PC lately, you may have noticed some subtle visual upgrades. One of the newer features is the right column animation, which makes the interface feel smoother and more modern when switching between chats and details. If you want to turn this on but aren't sure where to find it, I'll walk you through it step by step. First, open Telegram Web in your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the main chat screen. Once you're there, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that. When the side menu opens, scroll down until you find the Settings option. Click on Settings to access your Telegram preferences. Inside the Settings menu, look for a section called Animations and Performance. This is where Telegram lets you control how smooth or lightweight the interface feels. Click on Animations and Performance, and you'll see several options related to how Telegram displays transitions and effects. Now focus on the section labeled Interface Animations. Here you'll find the toggle for Right Column Animation. Simply switch this option on.